Wisconsin Career Development Association cordially invites you to a professional development workshop on October 1st in Racine, Wisconsin. This workshop is designed for career development professionals, academic advisors, success coaches, life coaches, workforce development professionals, educators, and additional professionals who assist others with academic planning, career development, and life purpose. Generation Z, presented by Karen and Courtney. NACE Competencies, presented by Jason and Sherry. Space is limited and pre-registration is required. Visit www.wcda.org to reserve your spot. See you on Tuesday, October 1st in Racine, Wisconsin.